Okay, so this is airlock. The principle of this is that one door should always remain locked. You should be unable to open both doors at the same time. We've started with both doors shut, indicated by the red LED, and both doors are locked, indicated by the blue LED, unfortunately this one down here. To open a door, simply press the green. That has unlocked the door, hence the light's gone out, and you can now open the door. The indication here has changed over. With this door in the open position, you will not be able to lock the door, and also with it in the open, you will not be able to unlock the other door. So you have to shut it first, lock it, and now we should be able to open this one. Again, you cannot lock it. With that one open, you cannot open this one. So with both doors locked, the only last thing to do is, once you stop, that unlocks both doors. And that's airlock.